with the nature of attitude, let us go back to 5, 6, 7. 5, 6 and 7, 3 points are left. Attitudes are extended to group. Members of the same group usually have similar attitudes. They do not remain only to individual, but the whole group gets affected by it. So what they are trying to tell you is that you generally tend to be with the people who share same ideas, who share same thoughts with you, right? Like you are not going to be with another person who, or you will not like a person who does not agree with your ideas, your mindset, your way of thinking, right? So what they are saying is that when an individual has a particular attitude, that whole attitude is transferred to the group. Over here they have given you an example of Mahatma Gandhi. So you all know that Mahatma Gandhi followed non-violence, he followed cleanliness, he followed truthfulness. So all these things were not only limited to Gandhiji, but also to all those people who followed Gandhi, all those people who stayed in the ashram. Okay, so even those people had the same attitude as Gandhiji had. Okay, his revolution on Swadeshi movement and Bharat Chodo slowly spread all over India and became very strong. So sometimes it can be said that few people's attitude can be extended to group. So he started with Bharat Chodo Andolan, he started with Swadeshi movement. So all these movements were not only limited to him, but all the people who followed Gandhiji, they followed these ideas, these principles, this way of thinking. Okay. Attitudes are purposeful and full of feelings. Most of our attitudes are purposeful and based on feelings. They make an individual behave either in a favorable or an opposition to another group or an individual. So there are feelings associated with it. Okay, let's say you believe in certain way of thinking, you believe in certain principles, you believe in certain things. Okay, and when I oppose to you, you will get very angry and you will try to debate with me, right? That's what happens in debate. We try to argue with another person. Why? Because we believe in that thing, our feelings are attached to that thing. Okay, so what they are saying is that attitude is based on feelings. Okay, it's either in favor or in the opposition of another group. Whether you favor another group or you are opposite to another group, or you debate with another group. Okay, generally attitudes are not very firm. Okay, attitudes are not very firm meaning they are not strong. Okay, for example, even after having very positive attitude towards religion, many religious leaders and superstitious people are not ready to accept scientific explanation for religious practices, and in the same way people of science background do not accept the preaching of religious leaders because they consider them to be superstitious. In this both way groups opposite the views of each other as per attitude. So over here they have given that there are two kinds of people. One, people are very religious. So people who are very religious, they sometimes tend to believe in superstitions. They sometimes believe કે દુનિયામાં જે કાંઈ પણ થઈ રહ્યું છે એ આપણા પાપના કારણે છે and all that, right? But on the other hand, you have people who are who believe in science, and they say it's happening because of science, it's happening because there is science, there's a reason behind why things are happening, etc. And they will not believe in the ideas or the things which religious people say. So the people who believe in religion will not accept science, and people who believe in science will not accept the religious point of view. So in same way they are opposite to each other. Okay, for example, right now you had this whole thing about the corona is happening, right? Like corona has come, it's come from China. So people who are scientific, okay, who believe in science, they say that corona has spread all over the earth because there was a leak, okay, in the factory. There are a lot of theories to why it happened. One of the theories says that it's because it's come from bats. Some people say it's because the virus was created by the Chinese and the virus got leaked, and that's how it spread everywhere. While the people who are religious, okay, who believe in religion, they feel that the virus is spread because શનિ ગ્રહણ આમાં વયું ગયું અને ઘણા વર્ષો પછી દોષ છે. મહાભારત પછી આજ એવો યર છે જ્યાં 3 ગ્રહણ એક સાથે દેખાશે and all that nonsense. So there are, see, I told you, the people who believe in religion will not accept the scientific theory. People who believe in scientific theory will not accept the religious theory. Okay. So that is how it is opposite to each other. Next is attitudes show likes and dislikes of an individual. Every individual will have its likes and dislike towards an object or a thing. Okay, whether you like a particular thing, whether you do not like a particular thing, depends on your likes and your dislikes. Okay. The way person thinks, feels or reacts or guides in a it's a direction of attitude. How you react, how you behave, all these things, they are all dependent on attitude. An individual likes in the company of people whom he likes and also maintains long term relations to them. So I told you, right, you will end up becoming friends with those people whom you like or with whom your way of thinking is matching, and that is why your relations with your friends are long lasting. Some of you all are friends for 10 years, 12 years, some of you all are friends since LKG, KG. Why? Because your way of thinking and their way of thinking is matching, and that is why you all are friends and it's a long term relation. Okay. An individual likes the company of people whom he likes and also maintains long-term relations with them. Supposingly he dislikes a person, then he tries to remain away from it. Okay, now it's a very simple thing. The person you do not like, you're not going to be with that person. Okay, and you wouldn't want to also be with that person. It has often happened that when I'm making groups, okay, lot of students, they come up to me and they say, ma'am, we don't want to be in this group, can I be in the other group? Okay, why? Because you dislike somebody, okay, you do not like somebody, then you try to stay away from that person because you don't want to fight with that person. Okay, supposingly, for example, a child who does not like to go to school or do homework will develop dislike towards school, teachers, parents and develop negative attitude towards them. So a child, let us say, does not like going school, does not like studying, so he will have negative attitude or he will have negative thinking towards school, towards teachers, towards everything in general in school. Okay, and he will come to home and complain, mama, teachers are bad, this is bad, that is bad. So that is what is the nature of attitude. So these were the natures of attitude, and in the next video I will start with the formation of attitudes.